Hi, I'm Patricia and this is Carla, and we're here from the Bedford Public Library to show you some tips and techniques for using the library online. In this video, we're going to talk about Great Courses, which is a fabulous new resource the library has. The Great Courses online includes 150 of their most popular videos of different courses on a variety of topics taught by some of the world's most engaging professors. So let's go ahead and dive in. We'll start by navigating to the library website, which is bedfordnhlibrary.org. Once you're there, you're going to go on over to the eLibrary tab on the right side of the screen and click on Databases A to Z. The databases are all in alphabetical order, so we'll scroll down to Great Courses and click on the link. This link brings you out to the RB Digital website, and you'll see RB Digital also provides us with Indieflix. If you're interested in Indieflix, we do have another video about that, but today we're going to focus on the Great Courses. So we'll go ahead and click on that. And you can see it brings up a page where you can browse everything. If you don't already have an RB Digital account set up, you can register by clicking this link in the top right corner. Your RB Digital account is separate from your library card account. So if you need to register for an account, you'll go ahead and fill out all this information, including your library card, and then click Register in the bottom right corner. We already have an account, so we're going to skip this. And we're going to go right to the sign in. And here we'll just sign in with that username and password we created when we registered. Now that we're all signed in, let's take a look at some of the courses that they have to offer. You'll notice as we scroll through the screen that they're all kind of grouped by the topic in the main area of interest. And you'll see there's quite a variety there too. Let's see. And within each topic, you can use the side arrows to scroll back and forth to see more options. We're going to take a look at this Great Tours of Medieval Europe. Looks pretty interesting to me. So once you click on a particular course, it's going to bring up a screen with this red checkout button. So we'll go ahead and we'll check that out. And once you check that out, that gives you a 7-day unlimited access pass to all of the Great Courses content. And what that means is, even though we've checked out from the Great Tours of Medieval Europe, we have access to all of the different courses. So if you decide this one's not working for you, or you just want to sample a variety of different classes, this can be a great way to do that. Once your pass expires, you can simply go in and check out another 7-day pass. And don't worry, even if your pass expires, the database will save your progress in any courses you've started. So that's the Great Courses in a nutshell. I hope you're looking forward to doing some real interesting learning and exploring. Thanks for watching, and we hope you'll check out some of our other tips and techniques.